We're looking at number 4. Number 4 says consider the triangles shown below. Which of the following transformation rules maps ABC onto triangle DEC? So they want them to be on top of each other. So what we're going to do is write all the points. ABC, so A would go with D. So let's first write A. A is at 1.5, comma 0.5. D's at 1. Three. Okay. So let's kind of just look at it and see what rule did we use. Right away, if we use A for this instance, 2 times it. If we use X to Y, so let's use part A. So we're going to go, this is choice A. We're looking at choice A, which states X to Y being the original. Oh, probably should just do it at the end, but it's fine. 2x, comma, negative 2y. So we're going to plug in the x here, and then we're going to plug in the 0.5 here. So if we do that, 2 times 1.5, then we do, oops, I don't know why I did parentheses there. So it would be 2 times 1.5, comma, negative 2 times 0.5. 2 times 1.5 would be 3, and then 2 times negative 5, or 0.05 would be 1. Well, we can see right away that 3, 1 is not the same as 1, 3. So what we did worked the 2x, negative 2y, but not in that order. We needed to be at 1, 3. If we did the same thing for choice B, we would get, plugging it in, negative 2 times 1.5, comma 2 times 0.5. That would get us negative 3, comma 1. Negative 3, 1 does not work. For choice C, so for choice C, I'm going to move this up because we really don't need to seal that now. We have X to Y, and then 2Y, 2X. So we're going to plug the Y into here, the Y into there. Oh, look, I'm glad we check that. Look, we're not going to be putting Y to X. We're going to be putting Y. There's the X. Glad we are really looking at it. So we're going to be flipping these, then times it by 2. So we plug it in to here. We get 2 times 0.5, comma, negative 2 times 1.5. Remember, our goal is to get this 1, 3. we get 1, comma, oh, it's at negative 3. Look at that mistake I made. Huh. Negative 2 times would be negative 3. Well, that looks really good. But I'm not too certain with it, so let's just keep our eyes on it. And let's try it with the other point. So let's compare it to not C but B. So B is at 1.5, negative 0.5, and B is related to E, and E is at negative 1, negative 1, negative 3. So we're going to use this rule from choice C. X to Y is going to be the same as 2y, comma, negative 2x. So what we have here, our x value, it's going to go right here. Then our y value, so we get 2 times 0.5 negative, comma, didn't have to do the parentheses like that, it's redundant, negative 2 times 1.5, 2 times negative half gives us negative 1, negative 2 times 1.5, 1.5 plus 1.5 is going to be negative 3. This is the same, so they're mapped onto each other. Oops. This is the same as each other, so they are mapped onto each other. So it looks like we're going to check with C. And the only reason why we didn't use point C is it's at 0, 0. 0, 0 is kind of redundant to use for the rules because this can be the same no matter what scale factor or translation you use, okay?